seeing daily steps on the Apple Watch is incredibly useful. And a lot of people use the Apple Watch mainly as a fitness tracker. So here's how to do it. The Apple Watch has a fitness application built in, so try to find it. It looks like 3 colored circles. Inside this app, you can track the calories, minutes of exercise, as well as stand goal. You can swipe through the pages in the app, and the point is that each page shows something different. So you essentially just need to swipe through all the pages until you get to see the daily steps displayed. It's somewhere closer towards the bottom of the page. It's like the 5th page you can see. There are the steps for this day, as well as the distance walked, plus the flights climbed, which can also be a useful metric. One issue that I know people are having with this is that even though you can clearly see the calories and steps inside the fitness application, a lot of users would rather see them displayed as complication on the main watch page. As of right now, there is no built-in method on how you can do that. However, there are some third-party apps available that can have access to your health data and link with the step count and then display it as a complication on the main page. So I'd recommend you to look into it if that's of your interest. One such app that I know about is one called Pedometer. Obviously, there are some other options as well, and I'm not affiliated with them in any way. I just use this app, and it's pretty good, even though some features are behind a paywall, so this might be a downside. Anyways, that's going to be about it for today. I hope you found this video useful. Let me know in the comments if you like the video or what exactly you'd like to know in the future. But for now, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, and I'll see you later in the future.